What's going on, family? Man, I hope you guys are having an absolutely awesome day. We made it out here to Crystal Lake, man. Cars and coffee. Man, look at the vets. But look at this thing, man. GT350. Lord, y'all know I love this thing. And guess what? She got a Whipple. Ooh, man, I hope you guys are having a great day. Y'all good? Cool. Somebody brought a McLaren out, man. 12C. I still like 12Cs. I wouldn't mind having a 12C. We got to run on some vets. Not a bad deal. The nose is here. Ooh, look at the SS sitting next to the clay Porsche. What? We loving that. Ooh, we got a Viper. Don't want to get steak big guys. Cadillac. We got a Z1 sitting over here. They got some heat out here, man. Look at this dude. She's pretty. Look at that. We got this thing. What is this thing? We're gonna call this the most unique vehicle, not car, vehicle at this event. Have y'all ever seen this thing before, guys? This thing is interesting. Quite interesting. Yes, sir. And it's on hydrogen. Even more interesting. BMW 7 on a HTC vet. You can't beat that. Ooh, look at this Malibu. Sheesh, we got another vet right here. Clean P5. Look at this Malibu on a tire. You see my reflection in this thing like I'm in it for real. Straight mirror. My goodness. My goodness. This thing is nasty. Ooh, this angle alone is beautiful. My God, he got the cutout around the exhaust. This thing is beautiful. Sheesh. This is what I call a wrestler, my brother. She is beautiful. Golly. Jeez, this thing is gorgeous. This is gorgeous right here. This is absolute gorgeous. Man. Oh, look at this GTS. Almost kept the pristine almost, but you know it's a resto. You got the plug on the back. The tire is on the tire too. Don't look like it. She's super clean. Look at this thing. Pull the AC. Damn, that thing is nice. You seen this C3 before? She's beautiful, man. They got some heat. I love this thing. That's beautiful. Ooh, Sean. Man, you need some different color wheels. It's ours doing it. I don't know if this is even an R. It's a GTI though. It ain't an R, but she nasty. I like this little Porsche, man. It's 912. She's beautiful, man. That's nice. Grandville.
It seemed like I think I saw 4 yesterday and I saw 2 this morning.
Man, this little Crystal Lake always be bringing that heat, bro. Look at this right-hand drive. South, is this? I wonder if it's a Skyline. Other wheels. She's beautiful. Yes, R34 right hand. Boy, that's nasty. She's beautiful. That's a beautiful car. Ooh, 427 in this thing. This Route Shelby is so clean. Oh my God. I love these grays, man. I need the other angle. Need the other angle. We need the other angle. All right, there. Let's see. Oh, Lord, it's just inching into my shot, killing it. I blur them out. It's all good. Man, we got the MG. We got another. Ooh, these wheels are so pretty.
And then my new truck had
Jesus.
yeah.
My goodness. She's so beautiful.
Thank you.
Man, this is the car that made me fall in love with Corvette right here. Sheesh. That's beautiful. Thank you, sir. Bro, this right here. SS. What? Man, I love this thing. Y'all know what they call this thing. This is the four-door Camaro. It's fast, it's spicy, it is a sleeper. It's built by Holland company. It's got a fat V8 setting in, bro. And it is a fun car. One of my gold cars. One of the cars I want to own one day. And when I tell you, it's a four-door Camaro, the reason why I say that is because it really is. People don't realize what this car is. They look at it immediately and they think it's a Malibu. It's not a Malibu, guys. It's not. It's more than a Malibu. And again, it's a gold, bro. Yeah, we gonna get one of these one day. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Ooh, look what we got, man. We got 60th year, and oh, look, peekaboo hood. This thing is nasty. Excuse me, sir. This thing is nasty. We looking at the what? She is beautiful. Now, guys, y'all know how much I love this thing. Look at all the carbon. She is beautiful. Oh my God. Pink, super clean. And right behind it, they rolled in together, man, with that C7 back. Both black beauties. Z06. On the tire, too. Watch it. Beautiful. Got exhaust on this thing. Probably 2LT. She's beautiful, man. But this thing, shopping, rowdy. Sheesh. And ridiculously clean. Yeah, man, this is one of the ones that I'm gonna forever be in love with, man. Something about this car. Nice. This for you, AB. Look at this beautiful Elgin. She is gorgeous. Good morning, good morning. How are you? Man, got the cars right here. The wheels, carbon fiber mirrors. Bro, driver focused. It ain't all the frills and none of that. Super beautiful Alcantara on the inside. This little mid-engine Toyota motor. Rocks. Man. Little bitty car, man. Looks like a little spaceship, but she looks good. Look at this. Sheesh. Guys, y'all know how it happens sometimes. Sometimes we don't always close out a video where we close out a video, we in the car. But listen, man, we had a good time. We saw a lot of really good cars, a lot of vets again, and a lot of unique ones, man. That Alpha was nice. That doggone Ford was ridiculous. That Cobra was really, really nice. I like the McLaren Law. I wouldn't mind having one of those 12Cs, man. The chalk gray Porsche, yeah, it went hard, man. They had some heat. But listen, guys, we're gonna get up out of here. We got another event we need to go check out. And you know how we do, man. We don't do the normal around here. No, why is that, guys? Because we were designed from greatness, and because it was designed for greatness, guys, you had the right, the responsibility, and authority to never be average. So, guys, don't be average.